is a digital twin? Really? It begins with a simple question. How much do you trust your building data? Ever tried to find the latest drawing and realized it doesn't match what's actually in the building? Or planned maintenance on equipment that doesn't even exist? Most buildings already have data, drawings, models, systems, but it's scattered, inconsistent, and hard to trust. So teams end up rebuilding everything after handover, just to make it usable. And in today's buildings, small errors can break entire systems. A digital twin isn't about creating more data. It's about making sure the data you already have actually reflects reality and connects together. So when something goes wrong, you can quickly understand what it's connected to and what to do next. It helps you achieve less rework, less time searching, more confidence in your decisions. It's not just about technology, it's about having a building you can actually understand and operate. A digital twin gives owners and facility teams a trusted operational view of the building, so they can respond faster, plan better, and improve performance over time.